Here's how you can build your backend using Xano and OpenCode. Install the Xano CLI globally using npm. Now, authenticate with your Xano account and select the instance you want to work with. If you're starting a brand new project, you can skip selecting a workspace during authentication. Create a local folder for your project. This is also a good time to initialize a Git repository if you plan to use version control. If you're starting a brand new project, create a new workspace, then link it to your profile. Whether you're starting fresh or picking up an ongoing project, you'll need to pull your workspace files to your local directory. Add the Xano MCP server to OpenCode. In OpenCode, ask it to build a backend for an enterprise software approval service. If you want to view your code in an IDE, install the XanoScript language server extension for proper syntax highlighting. Push everything to your Xano sandbox so you can validate it before moving to production. Inside the sandbox, you can run your business logic and inspect the results. Now that we've validated our work in the sandbox, we are ready to promote to our production workspace. Let's make a quick update. Back in OpenCode, we'll ask it to build a scheduled task to surface unanswered requests. And then push those updates to the sandbox. Let's publish this to a new branch and set that one live. Any changes being promoted to production will be presented in this Git-style diff view so you can know easily exactly what's being pushed. One of the really powerful parts of this workflow is that OpenCode is already great at building frontends, so right after generating your backend, you can ask it to build a frontend that uses the APIs and business logic it just created. And here it is, a working frontend powered by the Xano backend we just built. Ready to get started?